It's like sunset. However I hold the camera, it's just gonna be so shaky. Sorry. Hey everyone, it's Heidi, and today, well, not today, tomorrow I am going to be moving into my apartment for college, and I decided that I wanted to kind of vlog the experience because I love watching like moving vlogs and stuff, so I thought it'd be kind of entertaining and something you guys would want to watch maybe. I'm super excited, and I have most of like my clothes and everything packed. I'm bringing all of my own furniture, so we had to move all the furniture downstairs and make sure it's ready to easily move tomorrow. I'm going to college close to home. Literally, I live 10 minutes away from where I'm going to college, and I'm playing soccer there, so that's awesome, and I'm going to be living with some of the team there. I've never lived away from home before, so this is definitely a very new experience for me, but I am so ready. I'll show you tomorrow everything we do. I don't know how much footage I'm gonna get because I'm probably gonna be preoccupied trying to move stuff, but I'll try and get as much as I can. And one of my best friends, Morgan, her family is helping me move some stuff because they have a truck. I'm excited. Here, I'll show you the situation we got going on right now. So this part of my room is pretty much all empty. Here's a bunch of like things I'm gonna pack and some boxes and clothes. And this is all empty, and my desk is pretty cleared out. And then if we go across the hall to the other part of my house, I'm taking the bed that used to be in this room. It used to be right there, and I have some boxes and things that I'm gonna move. That's in here. So this room is pretty empty. And then if we go across the hall, those are like drawers to the dresser I'm taking. We used to have a dresser and a desk here, so that's gonna be gone. So that's what's going on today, and we pretty much have almost everything packed. So the big part is tomorrow, where we actually do all the moving and stuff. I will keep you guys updated. Hey everyone, it's moving day, and I got some stuff in my car, and then my friend Morgan has my mattress and some more boxes in her truck, and then both of my parents are bringing their cars, so we're all on our way to my apartment for the first time to move some things in. And I'm so excited. One of my roommates is already there, so I'm gonna be meeting her for the first time, and then one of my other roommates is moving in later today, so it's just really exciting, and I'll keep you guys updated and try and get as much footage as I can. Hi! Oh my god! My mom's filming me going up the stairs. Oh.
Oh, good one.
Hi guys, look at my walls.
Welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, subscribe.
Guys, look at how decorative my walls are.
Wow.
So I'm living on my own.
Are you okay?
So I moved in. Come check me out. Come over to my place. I'll leave the address down below. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
Hey, boys. And girls.
She's single, by the way. Good morning, everyone. Oh, no. It is day 2 of moving day, and right now I'm at my boyfriend's house because he's on vacation and I have to water his plants. But as far as yesterday went, it went so smoothly. My roommates are so nice. I was so happy to meet them. And yeah, everything just kind of was really great yesterday. I set up pretty much all of my room. I have a bunch of trash that I need to take out, and then I set up my bathroom. I need to buy like a few like organizational things for both my room and my bathroom, and I just need some like essentials like a hamper and trash cans and stuff like that. But other than that, pretty much everything is moved in, and yeah, I'm really excited to start the college life. I'm sorry I didn't get that much footage yesterday. It was just so crazy, and I honestly just totally forgot to film a lot. So sorry about that, but I will try and get as much as I can so you guys can come along this process with me. So yeah, yesterday was awesome, and today, like I said, I need to like buy a few things. I need to get some groceries too.